In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to improve the quality score of your keywords in Google AdWords, also known as Google Ads. If you're looking to get more from your online advertising campaigns, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in. First things first, we're going to head over to Google Ads. This is the platform where you can attract customers and effectively boost your sales through online advertising. If you haven't logged in yet, you'll want to click on Sign In. It's usually located at the top right of the home page. Once signed in, you'll be directed to the Google Ads home. Here you have a central hub where you can manage and monitor all your advertisement needs. Next, let's navigate to the campaign section. This area is crucial because it's where you set up and control your various ad campaigns. Whether you're running a single campaign or multiple ones, this is the place where it's all managed. Now, from the campaign area, you'll want to click on Ad Groups. Ad groups are like subcategories within your campaign, each focusing on a specific theme or product line. This helps in organizing your ads and, more importantly, your keywords. Now comes the exciting part. You'll want to click on Create Ad Group. This is where you start crafting an ad group that directly impacts your quality score. Each ad group should be tightly themed, using relevant keywords that resonate with what your business offers and what customers are searching for. By doing this, you ensure that your ads are more targeted and relevant, which in turn can improve your quality score. Remember, the quality score is an estimate of the quality of your keywords, ads, and landing pages. It's rated on a scale from 1 to 10 and can affect your ad rankings and cost per click. A higher quality score usually means better performance, often leading to a lower cost per conversion. So, using closely related keywords within each ad group, improving your landing page's relevance, and writing compelling ad copy can significantly influence this score. Make sure your landing pages are fast, mobile friendly, and straightforward in guiding a potential customer to action. Also, periodically reviewing your keywords' performance can offer insights. If certain keywords consistently underperform, consider replacing them with more targeted terms. Keeping these points in mind as you set up ad groups can pave the way for more effective and budget-friendly campaigns. And there you have it. Clear, concise action steps that will help improve the quality score of your keywords in Google Ads. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you leverage the full power of your online advertising efforts. See you next time.